all at once. So today, we're bringing Apple Silicon to one more Pro product. Introducing Mac Pro with Apple Silicon. It combines our most powerful chip with PCI expansion to tackle the most demanding workflows. First, every Mac Pro comes with the outrageous performance of M2 Ultra. Compared to the fastest Intel-based Mac Pro, many real-world Pro workflows like video transcoding and 3D simulation are 3 times faster. A key reason is the amount of unified memory in M2 Ultra, which is up to a gigantic 192 gigabytes. It enables the new Mac Pro to do things simply not possible before, like render Disney's Moana Island scene with massive geometry and textures. Another reason is M2 Ultra's media engine, which accelerates video processing. The Intel-based Mac Pro does this using Afterburner, a card that can play 3 streams of 8K ProRes video. Now, every Mac Pro has Afterburner performance built in. And not just one, but the performance of 7 Afterburner cards. It's incredible. In fact, when using 6 video I/O cards, Mac Pro can ingest 24 4K camera feeds and encode them to ProRes in real time, all on a single machine. And the wide array of advanced connectivity on Mac Pro gets even better with 8 built-in Thunderbolt ports, 6 on the back and 2 on the top, which is twice as many as before. Finally, Mac Pro brings PCI expansion to Apple Silicon. It features 6 open expansion slots that support Gen 4, which is 2 times faster than before. So users can customize Mac Pro with essential cards, including audio and video I/O, networking, and storage. Finally, it's available in both tower and rack mount enclosures. So that's the new Mac Pro, powered by Apple Silicon. With incredible M2 Ultra performance, tremendous connectivity, and the versatility of PCI expansion, it takes even the most demanding workflows to a whole new level. Now, back to John.
Today, we've announced not just one, but the 2 most powerful Macs we've ever made. Mac Studio with M2 Max still starts at $1999, an incredible value for Pro users. And with huge performance increases from M2 Ultra, Mac Pro starts at $69.99. You can order both products today, and they'll be available next week. They join our other Pro systems to give our users the most